Hey guys, it's Starl, and welcome back to another video. So today, I'm going to be recording an Animal Jam skit, or as you can say, an Animal Jam series called Animal Jam Kidnapped. So I hope you enjoy, and I am Starl stuff. I don't know why I sound different. Anyway, I'm just on a different account called Netherdyer. Netherdyer is my account. I will not giving away the password. Mine. So, as Jelly Jones always says, shout out to Jelly Jones, sit back, relax, and enjoy. We've been kidnapped! Brother, wake up! Slaps.
What is it?
We've been kidnapped!
What when?
Here, look at this place. Where are we even?
I don't know. What? You're not going anywhere.
Oh my gosh. Did you kidnap us? Oh my gosh.
Why do you ask?
Well, you said you're not going anywhere, and we're in this random house, so I have all rights to assume that you did.
Well, it's not like the law or something.
Did you? I will claw you.
I'm not telling you.
I will take off this spike and stab you with one of the spikes.
Yeah, right. Like you would.
Takes off spike. Talk.
I'm speaking.
Okay, spill the beans. Did you?
Yes, I did.
Ha, I knew it.
But Netherdyer did too.
Netherdyer? Who's Netherdyer?
Oh, you'll see. You'll see who she is.
You can't kidnap us! Brother, help me confront him!
I don't,
You imbecile.
what?
Nothing.
Attack!
We never learned how to fight!
That's why we gotta find our way home.
Idiot.
Like I would let you escape.
Whoa, look at this artifact!
What artifact? Where?
This ancient gold one. Oh my gosh. I just touched it. Oh my gosh.
Well, I said not to touch.
No, you didn't. No, actually you didn't.
I actually just did.
Oh. Well, I don't care. I'm gonna break something. I'm gonna break this crystal.
No! You're not going to.
I'm whapping it with my scullies. Yes, I will break it.
I'm just sleeping next to it. Okay, now.
Wow, apparently you like being kidnapped.
No, we don't like being kidnapped. We're destroying your crystal. Can't you see that? Yeah, I can.
Okay.
Yes, I can see that.
La, la, la. Another day on Animal Jam. I wonder what Firestar is up to.
Stop.
Whoa, is that yelling I hear? What's going on? Well, I need to get to Star's brother.
Stop. Stop.
going on in here?
We're destroying his crystal.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I see.
Come on, Nether Dire, help me. I need to get them to stop.
Just for... Okay. Grabs golden thingy, smashes on both of their heads.
Good idea, Nether Dire.
Huh. Knew it.
Come on, let's put them back in their beds.
Okay. I'll get the girl. Alright. What do we do now?
Wait for them to wake up.
What do we do then?
I don't know.
Wow. Very intelligent. So,
I have their birth stone up here somewhere.
you do.
Ah, yes, right here.
It doesn't look like you have any.
Can't you see them?
Those are just platforms for the birthstones.
Can you see their birthstones in the platforms?
Nope. Those are just colored platforms to represent the birthstones.
Well, come on.
Well, when will they wake up?
Well, I don't know.
What? Oh, where am I?
You're still here.
Yeah! Launches at and lands in her face. Yay! Get out of my face! Get out of my face! Ah!
Get back here, Nether Dire.
Looks like she's too terrified, eh? Runs out of house.
Come on, let's find our way home.
Ooh, turkeys! Wait, let's go through this portal. Another Dire will be there, but we can confront her. Come on. Ah! Stay away from me, you beast! Hey, wait, I think this is our home. Hey, this is our clubhouse.
This is our home.
Hey, look, it's that weird artifact.
Come on. It's time to sleep.
Okay. Good night. Anyway, guys, now that I'm done hiding, I'm going to get the outro for Star Wolf. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Star Wolf by watching this and Galaxy.
Shut up.
I'm doing the outro for Star Wolf.
Then why can't Star Wolf just wake up and do it herself?
Your sister isn't Star Wolf, your sister is Star. She's also rolling off the bed and is sleeping on the floor.
Star. Star,
Snores loudly. Well,
Star.
thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and that junk that Star Wolf does. This next video just might be the next episode of this series. Bye.